Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two website builder platform, which is Palmpay Builder and Wix. So to get started with a quick overview, Palmpay Builder is a light AI powered website builder made specially for solopreneurs, small businesses and startup. It focuses on speed and simplicity, allowing users to generate full website including a copy and layout from a single prompt. It's ideal for landing page, personal site, and a quick launches without coding. On the other side, Wix is a full-featured website builder with its own AI capabilities, giving users access to hundreds of templates, e-commerce tools, SEOs, and app integration. It's more robust and better suited for scaling and optimization, especially for those needing a complex functionality. And talking about what these two platforms are best at, so talking about the Palmpay Builder. Palmpay Builder is best for solopreneur and startup who want to launch fast with AI-driven landing page. Then talking about the Wix on the other side, this website is best for small businesses and creators who want a powerful all-in-one website platform with AI features. Now talking about the weakness or the downside of this platform, starting with the Palmpay Builder. It has a limited customization compared to Wix and also not ideal for large sites or e-commerce. Then on the other side, talking about the downside of the Wix platform, it can be complex for beginners and also more expensive at scale. And here's the overall conclusion. Choose Palmpay Builder if you need a quick AI-powered landing page or one-page site without the hassle, perfect for lean startup and solopreneur. On the other side, you can choose the Wix website if you want a more scalable, customizable platform for a growing business with e-commerce, blogs, or booking.